All right, we're live.
What? We're live!
Oh, my coffee's hot.
Now that we're live, I can view the chat. Yay. In theory, I can view the chat. There we go. Took a second to load pop out, please. And drop that here. We'll screen it on this monitor. And then type in balls. So that's the first word in chat. Next up,
I got the. I got the.
Squad.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. Did you already get Blue Sky? Yeah, I see that. Cool. Post that.
So, so I bought Compaq.horse.
Huh?
So I bought Compaq.horse. Do you want to know what my plans for it are?
What are your plans?
A recreation of one of the original sites. I don't know which year I'm gonna go for yet. A recreation of one of the original sites, but every word is replaced with horse.
I love parody sites.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go for.
Horse, 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 horse. Compaq, horse.
Oh yeah, no, Compaq is still gonna be there. Like the word Compaq, the logo and everything, that's still gonna be there. But just all the text is gonna be replaced with horse, so it's gonna read like exactly like how you're reading it.
Yeah.
Computer noises.
I love my foot chargers. If you had some foot chargers, you would have the 80s bougie experience. More or less. Is there anywhere we need to... Anywhere else we need to place this?
Alright, so what to...
Is the setup complete? Or are we still setting up?
Oh, I'm at the prompt. I have this sealed. It has this. I don't
Still
fully
text
understand
on this.
what that means. Oh yeah. I don't fully understand what this means. Attention resellers, you cannot sell this product to your customer unless you complete and return this card. Should this have not been sold? Actually,
I don't think anyone cares.
yeah.
A long line of not caring has led to this moment.
You know, I don't remember for sure, but there's a chance that I got this at Computer Reset because I remember I picked up some Norton thing at Computer Reset. So this might be here because it was never actually sold.
That makes sense. Where did I put my back scratcher?
Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but you say hi in chat. Hello. How are you doing?
Yes. Sorry, I'm still setting up just a little bit. My apologies.
Well, I mean, I have to take this reseller thing off. Hello, Mr. Fedora 1.
Welcome back, Mr. Fedora 1.
Well, I took off that attention reseller thing because I have to take it off because the box that's like on the outside of the plastic. Should I send this in?
Yeah, I think you should send it in. Let's see what happens.
I might. I don't know if they're still headquartered there. I'd have to look it up.
Mr. Fedora 1 says, "How are you guys doing?"
I'm doing pretty solid. I have a cup of eggnog coffee and I'm ready to install some software.
I have a Monster, a ginger ale, and a random soda from a gas station I didn't pay for.
Alright. Hey, Lexi, can you look up if Semantic Corporation is still headquartered in Eugene, Oregon?
Sure. Symantec Corp, right? Corporation.
I might send this in.
Headquarters.
Headquarters.
Allbiz.com says Herndon, Virginia?
Darn, they've moved. You know, for how old this product is, this plastic that was on it is still really sticky.
Let me make sure I got the spelling right. Can you tell me how to spell it?
SYMANTEC.
Yeah, okay. No, I got it right. Yeah, I guess they moved.
Darn! I wonder if I send this. I wonder
to email them. Just set it up so that it just goes directly towards them. Slap on there.
I really should have gotten like a knife or scissors or something because this box is not open. Okay, I got it.
Go grab some.
No, I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Sure. Oh, they close soon. They close at 7 p.m.
Who closes?
Symantec.
Well, it's not like I'm gonna call them.
Well, I wasn't saying call them. I'm just upset that I can't go walk down and visit them. Even though I'm not even in the same fucking state.
There's a big fat manual in the box as to be expected. Ooh, what is this? You think I can redeem this?
Oh man, that's yeah, probably.
It's a $49.95 value. Ooh.
Has that gone up in value?
I have no idea. It's join the Windows User Group Network. Introductory membership worth over $100.
I don't
Your choice. Pick a book. Windows 3.1 configuration secrets. Windows 3.1 connectivity secrets. Ooh, they have secrets to unlock. Call 1-800-WIN-USER.
Is it all the else?
I think your audio cut out. What'd you say?
I said, is that all the options?
Yeah, it's just a choice of 2 books.
Connectivity secrets, because I think it's really funny.
Well, I mean, it's not like we're going to get this.
What was the book called?
Windows Connectivity Secrets.
Let me see if I can find something.
Maybe it's on archive.org?
Windows Connectivity Secrets. Is there any other identifying information, like a company?
Look at this user's guide. Look at this. They're thorough.
That's a book that if it falls off a bookshelf and hits somebody, they're going to be knocked out.
You know, I'm actually not doing too hot on disk space. I should double check to see how much space this is going to take up. It should say on the box. 8 megabytes? That's, I can.
You know how much space you got left?
Like 100 and something. I'm good, that's fine. Oh, so Microsoft Word is like 20 discs, but, oh, I have a sticker for, but this is only 4 discs.
Huh. I wonder why.
They gave me a sticker for the rescue disc.
Oh, cool.
Should I actually make the rescue disc, or should I save the sticker for something else?
Of course, you gotta make the rescue disc.
That means I do have to get up and go grab a blank disc, so. One moment.
I'll be here. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a computer. And it was... old. And it took photos of even older things, like planets. And these planets were pretty. The end. Like, comment, and or subscribe if you enjoyed this story. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What a beautiful day.
I have returned.
Welcome back. I told a story of a computer that likes to take photos of planets. It was very short and I gave up halfway through.
I found a disc that I can sacrifice, but I'm struggling to take the label off.
Is it like really hard on there?
Well, it just left this residue.
Yeah.
I put a drop of Goo Gone on it.
Goo Gone is such a funny thing to say. It makes funny mouth sounds, you know?
So I'm worried if I'm too harsh with this disc, I might damage it. I'm trying to scrape the goo off. You know what? The label will cover it. I should probably see what's on it.
If only you had a second floppy disk drive, huh?
For what?
So that you don't have to worry so much about storage space, I guess. And you could have one floppy disk act as general extra storage for files.
It would only offer an additional. I mean, unless you're talking about using multiple, but I already do that. Like, I already have like my images on a floppy disk.
Um, can you move one of the lights on the lamp just a little bit?
Be more specific.
It's causing a glare onto the screen, making it, it's a bit standoutish. Perfect. That was the one. Now that's a clear image. I wonder how fast that refresh rate's going. I love a good vibe stream, don't you?
Me too. I'm formatting the disk so I can use it as the rescue disk later.
You'll probably get away with using ASMR as a tag.
You're right. Can you add that for me?
Can
You should have privileges on the channel to do that, but if not, I'll do it.
I think I should be able to. Just give me a second. I just need to swap over. A second. Can I do that from this side, or do I have to go to edit video? I have to go to edit video.
Alright, let's install the Norton utilities for Windows and DOS version 8.0.
There we go. I also set myself up to be a chat.
There's a file called what's.new.
Well, what's new? ASMR DOS. Any other tags?
Computer. Compaq.
Computer. Compaq.
I have to take a picture of this like really fucked up computer mouse that it's showing.
Hold on, I had the managed.
It's like squished.
Save changes. Changes saved. Switch accounts back to my account. Yay.
Do not
Little
install
spongy.
the Norton utilities on your hard disk if it currently contains erased files that you intend to unerase, or if you need to recover from formatting the disk accidentally. You could overwrite the erased files with the Norton utilities themselves. Refer to the emergency procedures foldout attached in the front cover of the user's guide. Those instructions will guide you through using the Norton utilities from a floppy diskette for unerasing and formatting. Okay, I don't have anything that I think I'm good.
Can you imagine reading a whole book in on a monitor like that?
No. The installation program copies the Norton utilities from your installation diskettes to the directory you choose on your hard disk. The installation program allows you to modify config.sys and autoexec.bat files to make full use of the Norton utilities. You may skip any step along the way. You may cancel the installation at any time. After installation, you may review what's .new for a list of new features and read .me for a list of last-minute changes. Oh.
I just love, like, you could just have any file for, like, any extension, and it doesn't matter, because standardization barely exists.
Yeah, Linux is like that, like, to this day. Like, you could just name anything whatever the heck, and it just, you know.
Cowabunga.
Yeah. Enter your name, Shinku Horse Disposal. Enter your company, Mule Horse Enterprises.
Hello.
Yeah, let's do a full install. If this installer doesn't... That's actually... Oh, that's just checking the drive integrity. I thought it was installing. I was like, what the heck? It's going like VM speed. This is what I'm after.
This is the pits. Dun 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 dun. Technology. So I don't get this feature on when I'm on my account, but I've noticed there is engage with your audience, start a Q&A, start a poll. There's a couple of these.
I think it either has to do with the number of subscribers or maybe the fact that I'm an artist channel.
Maybe. My neighbor just banged on the wall like crazy, and we weren't doing anything. I'm gonna lock the door just in case. And even then, we're totally allowed within our rights during the loud hours. I have a hair. Excuse me for 1 second while I confer with my father.
You know, I'm getting cold feet about the rescue disc because this sticker would make a dope laptop sticker.
It's your decision.
Then again, laptops get replaced every so often. The rescue disc is forever. I really need to get a sound card for this guy.
You could always slap it on the monitor.
What?
Or on the case itself.
What?
Is, I suppose less likely to be replaced.
Oh, the sticker. I thought... Because it just said... I need to get a sound card for this guy, and then you said you could always slap it on the monitor, and I was like, what?
Oh.
You know, speaking of that, I have contemplated sticker bombing this computer. It is cracked, like, it's not in perfect shape, so, like, maybe I could put cute stickers over the crack, but... I don't know, like, I kind of like just leaving it as is. Does chat have any opinions on this? Should retro computers be sticker bombed?
Let me start a poll. Computers is... Maybe I should type that in. Retro computers is sticker bomb. Yes, no, maybe. Maybe / sometimes. There we go. I think that maybe sometimes.
Sometimes is a solid answer, because I think for me it depends on, like, if it's in pristine condition, I think it should be left in pristine condition. But if it's already kind of messed up, I mean, where's the harm?
I have to restart Windows Explorer, which luckily doesn't mean I have to restart my computer, because the window manager part of it that lets Windows go and slot into spots just stopped working. There it goes. You can understand how this could be annoying.
Configuring your system. Please wait.
I like when they have the little window animations. It's always a nice piece of... It's a nice touch to a retro. Like a retro display. Or very modern touch to a class... whatever. I'm rambling.
Yeah, let's make changes to startup files.
Nothing could go wrong with that.
Yeah, sure.
What's that say?
Oh, it was saying basically the changes will take effect at reboot, and then it says that my startup files have been, like, backed up before it made the changes.
Okay.
Please remove the install diskette from drive A. Diskette is such a cute word. Create rescue disk, okay. Let's go.
I saw a post online about a French guy complaining about pronouns, and somebody responded underneath it, "What the hell do you care? You think shoes are girls?"
Wait, what? You think shoes are what?
Somebody responded to the French guy with, "What the hell do you care? You think shoes are girls because of pronoun languages."
Oh, I see.
Which I thought was very funny.
Yeah, let's create it. Please insert your... Okay. Yeah.
Red.
It said that all data on the disk will be erased, but I already formatted it, so it's not a big deal. I guess I didn't have to format it beforehand. Norton is formatting it in a special way. Look at the cyan window. I know you can't really tell because the screen's blown out, but this window is like... I mean, it's Win 16 cyan. It's just...
Nice. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very cyan.
It's a Miku window.
It's
Hatsune Miku?
Miku window?
Is this technically a window? Because it's not movable. I don't think it's technically a window.
Then what is it called?
I don't know. Maybe it is a window. I don't know. What if I just eject the disc right now?
Funny prank. Epic computer prank. Pull out the floppy disk and the hard drive while it's writing.
Epic computer prank. When the computer falls asleep first, the sleepover, and its RAM gets taken out while it's running.
You dip the mouse in water.
What?
If the computer falls asleep during a sleepover, you dip the mouse in water. It's like its hand.
Is it true? Is it true that if you spill water on the keyboard, there's a chance of it shorting the computer?
Depends on how the keyboard's made. If it has like water vents, which you can usually see at the bottom, then no. But if it doesn't, then yes.
Because I've been told that before, but I wasn't sure if it was true. I've spilled protein shake on my keyboard before. It was fine. I mean, I just unplugged it.
I think it's one of those things that's like, it's unlikely, but it could. It could happen. But very unlikely.
A rescue disk has been successfully created. Please place the rescue disk label you received on the disk, write protect it, and store it in a safe place. If you ever modify the computer settings, you will need to run the rescue program and select the create update option. If you experience problems with your computer, like not being able to boot, do the following. Put the rescue disk in drive A, reboot your computer, type rescue, select the restore option. Okay. I'm assuming I can, yeah, because it did just tell me to put the label on it. Okay, let's put the label on it.
Man, this back brush has been so useful to use as a back scratcher, because sometimes I just have little hairs that poke my back, and it makes it itch like crazy. And this just picks them right off.
Okay.
I love it.
I don't know why you felt the need to say that out loud.
Because I'm happy.
Okay. I made the rescue disc.
Hooray!
Let's reboot. Oh, I forgot to write protect it.
Oops.
There we go. Beep beep. I really need my floppy disk, Caddy, because this would go in there. I'll put it in with the other Norton discs for now.
No. A second vote. Someone said no. Say computer's being sticker bombed. Which is cool.
Are you unable to access partitions on the hard disk? What? This is trippy. I'm seeing it's a mouse environment in the DOS prompt.
Oh,
uh, mm, wait. Are you? Oh, no. Is it gonna do this every time I boot now? Damn, Norton really is bloatware.
I.
Since the beginning, man. Since the beginning.
Also, it keeps changing my live chat option to top chat. I would like to be able to see potential spam. Thank you very much.
Alright. I can put these discs away. Let's see. Should we install Borland Turbo C++ or should we install PowerPoint next? What is the verdict?
Sorry, Sid was talking to me. What'd you say?
Should we install PowerPoint or Borland Turbo C++ now?
C++.
I'm not going to do anything with it yet, but it's going to be nice to have installed. 15 floppies. Yahoo!
My nose was. Ah.
Welcome to the Borland C++ 3.1 Application Frameworks Installation Program. This program will install Borland C++ and application frameworks on your system. To install every available option requires 49 megabytes of disk space. An additional... Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, let's just still do it. Okay, yeah, drive A. Yeah, let's go. Windows really brought standardization with installation screens because, like, I've noticed with DOS software, it's all different. I mean, like, it's the same, like, on a per brand basis. Like, Symantec has their own. I'm sure the other Borland applications have one similar to this.
I would hope so. Just imagine, just like, even if it's the same company, just wildly different installs.
I would do that. So this is gonna be 15 discs. My stack. So this is gonna take a minute. The temptation to just switch the computer off. The power switch is right there, man. It's right in front of me.
Not recommended.
Please insert. It didn't beep at me. Normally it beeps at me.
I should get some water. It's time to drink water. Be right back, I'm grabbing some water.
Oh no. I'm getting a data integrity error on my totally legitimate disks. Might not be able to install this one.
I'm back, and I have hydration.
Hydration. So disk 2 is giving me a data integrity error, and yeah, because this is totally legit. Totally legit. Alright, let's try that again. I hope I don't have to, like, restart the process every time in the data integrity error. Okay, please read, please read, please read, please read. Please read. Please, please, I'm begging you. Please, computer. Please do it.
It's getting its glasses out slowly, cleaning them off with a rag.
Please read the
I'll
disc.
read it in,
Please
I'll
read the
read it
disc.
in a moment. I'll read it in a moment.
No! I press R for retry and then it just exits me to the...
Oh.
No! Okay, I can't install this one. I'll have to, like, figure something out. Okay. Let's hope PowerPoint fares better, because PowerPoint is in a very similar...
It's Windows.
Oh, I should probably... Oh no. I need to actually exit out of Windows and then... Yeah. Because I need to disable Norton Desktop. Because... Remember last time I streamed, and Microsoft Word would crash during the installation?
Mm.
It was because of Norton Desktop.
Mm. Thanks, Norton.
What's the configuration file called? There we go.
Huzzah. Hmm. Feeling like we need a buzz feed. Or something like that. Windows. Want to do trivia?
Sure.
Specifically, Windows XP trivia is what I'm looking up.
Let's do
Um,
let's
see
do
here.
let's do let's do era appropriate. Let's do like Windows 95, Windows 3.1.
Okay, Windows 90. I'll start with Windows 95 and then go down to 3.1 because I think there's going to be more trivia.
For 95, yeah.
The fuck is Sporicle? Well, it doesn't really give me a trivia there. General Windows. Trivia Tuesday. Maybe? How can Cloudflare get so much information from one click? Uh, well, that's not really as fun. Man, you'd think there would be more trivia quizzes, right? At least like 5. Windows 95 quiz. That could work. All right.
Hey, you remembered me.
It's in Spanish. You know, I'll just look up Windows 95 quiz instead of trivia questions. Because I think that's going to give me more answers. That says Windows trivia. My standards are lowering.
So I was reading the Wikipedia page for Compaq earlier, and apparently, so Compaq was formed by former Texas Instruments people who left the company, and apparently, they almost started a chain of Mexican restaurants instead of forming Compaq.
I wonder what that tastes like.
I thought that was funny. I didn't check the source on it, but it is on the Wikipedia page and it is sourced. I just didn't check into it, but that's funny. Let's go. Complete custom. Microsoft PowerPoint 4.0. There's no. Word had an option for wizards. There's no wizards here. What, did the PowerPoint not get the wizards?
These grounds are hollow.
Your graphs will be updated automatically to Microsoft Graph 5.0 when you edit them. However, you may not wish to do this if you share graphs with other users who do not have Microsoft Graph 5.0. Automatically update your graphs? Yeah, sure, why not?
That appears to be an AI generated quiz. So I'm not gonna do that one. That's generally about operating systems. My standards are somehow lowering. That's forbidden.
Thank you.
That's forbidden knowledge.
Thanks for choosing PowerPoint, the best-selling presentation graphics product. Now you can create great-looking presentations easily and communicate more effectively.
Windows 95
This
in my
page
browser.
better mention the wizards. You know what I want to do at some point? I want to draw the chart wizard. Absolute geek.
Nerd.
Okay, so far we have the chart wizard, we have Dr. Doss.
Dr. Carr.
Is Dr. Carr a wizard?
What? Oh, I thought we were talking about doctors.
Why would I... Is the chart wizard a doctor?
I don't know why. I thought he was. My bad.
So far, we have the chart wizard, Dr. Doss, and the MS-DOS 5 guy. I still don't know his name. It'll come to me. But we need other Microsoft wizards.
Merlin.
We need to find
Forgot
them.
about Merlin.
Merlin, yeah. Please don't suffer from the Disc 2 curse. Please don't suffer from the Disc 2 curse. I'm begging, please don't.
There's a Disc 2 curse. What does that mean?
The wizard did it.
Well, I mean... I found a 10-question Windows XP quiz. I can't find 95.
No, the
This was
Disc
a
2
general
curse!
Windows quiz.
The Disc 2 curse.
What is this fixable? Do we need to call him in?
I'm retrying. Why does Disc 1 work and then Disc 2 just craps out? I think I need to get, where is that place where you can buy, like, floppy disks that are formatted and ready to use, and they're, like, all tested good? Like, I think LGR bought from them. Or is LGR where? I guess I can rewatch this video and find out, but I need to, like, order those, because maybe the issue is the discs. Darn! Yes, I'll have to put this up and set up later.
Hong Kong
Well-
2097 was on Steam? What?
I do have Word installed, and I have this. Let's install some fonts. These are the fonts it comes with. You'll see some names in there that you recognize.
Scott? Stencil.
I don't like Ransom. The
Yeah.
camera will focus. It's this one.
Can you point to it one more time? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can see it now. It wasn't showing up as clearly on camera.
So this software includes the 5 1/4 discs, and I haven't actually tested to see if that drive works. So I'm gonna use this as a test. See if that drive works. You're important to us. Register today.
What if
Yeah,
I
but
don't? Am I not important?
When I do you see what the
Whoa! What? Why is it doing that?
I have no idea. I don't really know how cameras work. I mean I know why it's doing what it's doing now, but I don't know why it's like
I'm so confused. I'm sure it has something to do with rolling shutter. I'm sure. Yeah, she is.
Waiting for it to either load or error out or what. I haven't tested P5 1/4 drive on this machine yet, so this is my test. The software did come with 3.5s, so
Ah. I'm gonna write a letter in chat. Do you want to guess randomly what the letter's gonna be?
W.
That. Yeah, it was W.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay!
It's because that's where my middle finger lies. So it's like the quickest button for me to press. My middle finger. What's? Hold on. No, my middle finger does.
Okay, so computer, are you gonna throw an error? Are you
Just taking your time.
like are you gonna
Your time's fine.
are you gonna time
Did you
out?
did you crash? Are you awake?
No, the
Computer.
the drive is doing something.
Okay. Is it thinking?
I'm trying to listen to it so I can. It sounds like it's trying to read, but it's not. But I don't want to eject the disk until it's not like actively being used.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a chance that that drive is just not, uh, just broken because I didn't test it. Do you think growing up with CRTs is why we need glasses?
No. I need glasses because my both of my dads needed glasses. Wait, no, hold on. I think I need glasses. For you, I have no idea. Maybe. I can't speak for you. Why do you need glasses?
So one I'm just gonna eject the disc and put the disc back in the sleeve and put the 5 1/4 discs away and then pull out the 3.5-inch discs.
It's always fun.
I had to test it. Much better.
Finally.
So with the 5 1/4 drive, it sounded like it was trying to read and then failing over and over again when I listened to it. So I don't know how to diagnose that. It's possible that it's just like a belt, but
Why would it work for the first discs?
the 5 1/4 drive didn't work at all.
Oh. What drives do you have?
My A drive is a 3.5-inch floppy. The B drive is a 5 1/4-inch floppy.
Oh, okay.
Welcome to the Microsoft TrueType Font Pack 2 setup program. This program will install the Font Pack 2 fonts onto your hard disk. To quit the setup program, choose the exit button in the lower right corner at any time during the installation process. I don't know, I never noticed those. Maybe those are new, I don't know. The setup program has detected that this disk set has already been used by, and it has someone's own. I'm glad you can't really read that. Okay.
It had someone's information tied to it?
Yes.
What? Huh. I wonder why.
Automatically install all the software. Whoa, look at this guy. Oh, you can't see him. Well, how that's not working when like if I... Okay, there we go. There we go. Why did that work?
Is that a guy pointing at a letter?
Yeah, it's like a postman pointing at a letter that says Microsoft.
I have no idea why that's working.
Mistral! We love Mistral! I love that font! One of my favorite fonts. Top font. We should rate fonts after this.
Oh, yeah. Let me see if there's a tier list. font tier
No,
list.
we make our own tier list out of the fonts that I have installed on here. I'll open up Word and make the font really big so you can see it. God, I love the clanky, like the. I love that. Coming up soon, the font tier list. Flying font screensaver, what?
A font screensaver?
Flying fonts screensaver. I gotta check this out after this. That's coming up before the font tier list, because what? That's gonna be my new screensaver.
Text? No?
So I think the wizards wrote the undelete feature in DOS.
Yeah.
Because it resurrects the files back from the forgotten. That's a spell.
Forgotten.
That's a spell.
Well, what would that be applied to humans? Is it like a spell you'd use if you forgot something? Like, let's say you forgot where your car keys are. You undelete it from your brain.
Yeah. Fuck yeah! The flying font screensaver!
I like to think
The
that
Microsoft Font Assistant? What is this?
I like to think that they experimented by using human spells just randomly on a computer. I was like, wait, that worked? How can we do this again? I'm gonna have a monster now. You know what you could do? You could... Yeah, I have a hair type in. I'm also still dreaming. Where is... Here you go. That's all good. It's all good. Monster time.
Okay, I gotta check out the flying fonts.
Dun, 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 dun,
It's
dun, dun,
slow!
dun, 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 dun,
What happened?
It instantly fucking crashed, didn't it?
Yeah. Do I need to restart my computer? Is that what the... Oh no! What is this?
Just find where the edge of a window is and move it. It usually fixes it.
That didn't fix it.
I think you full screened it, so...
I didn't full screen it.
You didn't?
No.
Oh man, Windows is fucked up. That fuck Windows are bad. Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to exit Windows. Exit Windows. Yeah.
It fucked up the drawing routine.
I was trying to find the option to exit Windows.
True try.
Okay, I'm gonna run the screensaver again after rebooting.
Yep.
Time for Norton to do its crap.
You could always remove it.
Why would I do that? Why?
Free up space. Oh.
It's not taking up that much space.
Oh, okay.
I think what's taking up so much space is all the games that were pre-installed on this.
So can it even run Duke?
Yeah, I was gonna try that, like, after I was done with the font tier list and everything.
Okay.
Because this baby, according to this sticker right here, this computer is from 1992.
Huh.
And it's an office computer, for sure. Like the Compaq Deskpro, those were office computers. So it's really meant for, like... What?
1992?
Yeah. This was really meant for, like, word processor, Excel, like, things like that.
And if you're lucky, and if you're just lucky, it also can have a cool screensaver.
All right, let's see
But
if it
only if you're
let's
lucky.
see if it works.
This is right where it crashed last time.
I think it was just because I didn't reboot the computer. That actually mattered back then. Why is it just like Arial? Well, I assumed it would be like multiple different fonts.
I like the glow coming off the letters. I know that's because of how the monitor works, but it really does add an aesthetic to it.
I don't see it in person.
Man. Well, it'd look cool. It would look really cool if it worked in person.
Oh, there's there's options. Okay. I can
Say a
Oh,
funny
I can
word.
change the text. Special effect flying, spinning roller. I'm assuming it's not doing these effects because maybe my graphics card can't handle it. Can I do like random fonts or? Oh, I have to pick one font.
I think auto exposure is what's causing the line to be stronger. That's my guess. True Type Font presents.
This was before the days of Comic Sans. I think Comic Sans was made for like Windows 95, right?
Yes.
Or in that era.
For Bob. For Microsoft Bob.
Oh, you know what? I erased Microsoft Bob from my memory.
That poor bastard. No one talks about... I mean, Mike's missing, and people still talk about him. But Bob... No one talks about Bob. What about Bob? What happened to Bob? I want to know his story. That's a lie. It's not... That's not what it is. Teacher! Teacher! She's telling lies.
Okay. Time for the font tier list. I'm choking on a coffee ground. Hold on. Where is Microsoft Word?
The font tier list is presented by AT&T. No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. We're not getting sponsored by AT&T. Service fucking sucks.
Let me try to fix the auto exposure.
All right.
Oh.
Microsoft.
I mean, it's a little bit blown out, but there's no bar.
Yeah, that could work. I think that if it's black on white, it's perfectly fine.
Set the font size to something ridiculous.
100. Okay, that's pretty good.
No, I'm gonna do 120. Okay. What word should I use?
What's a good word that represents a lot of my thought? Honestly, I kind of want to say whatever word you think would match the font, because then that puts it in the best light. I know it's a bit of a non-answer, but do you get what I'm saying?
Okay, I'm going to go in alphabetical order because that's the order that it's in here. So,
Hello.
Algerian.
Um,
Where would we rank Algerian? What remind me of my tier options?
Let me load up a tier list I can copy and paste.
Yeah, and I want you to actually make the tier list so that we can have it for later.
Tier list maker, copy and paste images. Come on. New tier list. What? Oh, oh. Oh my. I meant make a tier list.
Tier
Best
list maker?
fonts ever. Make your own template. Single use template? Okay. Can I copy and paste images here? No, I can't. I'll just get the template image and then, do it in Photoshop. Because then it looks like a copy and paste images, you know? Tier list template. Yeah, there is, but it doesn't let me copy and paste images. It's a little bit of a pain in my ass. Ooh, Figma! That's a solid choice for a template. Assuming it's free. How hard is it to find things? Oh, it's not letting me back up. Here. List making. Tier list template. Thank you for your patience. Can I paste images here?
Yeah, the tier list was kind of an impromptu thing. I feel like we it would have been better if we were prepared for it, but I it's just, you know.
Yeah, I'm not complaining. It's something to do. That's the important part. Can I paste them in? Copy. Paste. I can't believe none of these support copy and pasting. That's incredibly annoying.
I mean, didn't you find a Photoshop template?
No, I didn't.
There's like an Illustrator file you can put out
Yeah. Well, you know what? I could just make an Illustrator file. That's a really good. I can do this in 10 seconds. What am I doing? I can do this in like 10 seconds. And
Load up Word and make a table.
if I use Illustrator, it lets me have infinite resolution, so it's
Hey, I have Word
it's not a
open.
problem.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna look through the clip art.
S A B C D F. I think those are normally the tiers. Change that to ridiculously fucking big. Cool. Then I rasterize this. Not rasterize, that's not the right word.
Ooh, that's a pretty butterfly. I think the butterfly
Ooh.
part.
I like butterflies.
Okay. Coffee. Computer. Ooh, I think I have that clip art from a clip art pack.
This 1, 2, 4 times. Straighten these up here so they're all in the same row. Copy everything, make sure they're distributed. On the artboard. There we go. Now distribute it evenly. So the top one and the bottom one. Then
Horse!
realize the reason why it wasn't working is because I forgot to ungroup it. Mistake. That happens.
Jazz. Yeah, that's the sound that played in my head when the image loaded.
Okay, so we got S, A, B, C, D, F. Which color are these? Where's my navigator? There it is. Yay! Now, testing if I can copy and paste images easily. Hooray! Just set that on a different layer, and I think I'm golden. But I do think I want to put just a little bit more flair by adding some boxes. Just making this look nice and presentable. Those. Then I have to group these. And distribute evenly. Now that's a looking good. Now I just, last but not least, need to get the colors right. Alright, so that's red. That's orange.
How close are you to being done?
Very close to being done.
Okay.
I'm doing final touches now.
You know, all we had to do was get like a notepad and just put what tier we put each font in. and then make the chart later.
Yeah. That. Hmm. That's a very good point.
Do you want to just go?
Yeah, we can go ahead and start going.
Okay. Algerian. Honestly, it's a pretty nice font. I like seeing it on menus of small restaurants.
To me, this is a font that screams local Ren Fair.
For me, it screams local business. Not necessarily Ren Fair. Just like
Something that's easy to read, but also like
remind me of the tier options again.
S, A, B, C, D, F.
I'd say I'm gonna put it in C tier because I feel like it's a nice font, but it can be a little bit overused and it can make things look amateurish if the font is used.
Can you write the font name on the screen? Cool. There we go. Copy that. Pasting and shrinking. It's now in C tier.
Arial, okay. Arial is a classic. It's a classic. I have to put it in B because like it's not very interesting, but I mean you can't live without it. It's
I got conflicted feelings about Ariel.
No, Sid has conflicted feelings about Arial.
I think it's a pretty good standard thing, but it's hard for me to get excited about it.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah,
not
that's
a font to get excited about.
That's what I'm
It's,
saying. That's what I'm saying.
Okay,
It's
so
good for
it's-
legibility. It's good for just like I said, it's not the most exciting font, but you just can't live without it.
Yeah.
Rock solid. Readable.
Yeah. So you already said B?
B,
Or-
yeah, I'm good. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah, B.
Yeah, okay, you both said B. Alright. Alright, have a good day at work. Arial, B. Shrink. Now to save this document real quick. Shit post. There we go. Magic. No, font tier list. Alright.
I like Arial rounded MT bold a little bit more than Arial. Honestly,
Me too.
it's
That's
sleek. It's sleek. It's nice. It
It's
still has.
playful.
It has the same legibility as Arial, but it's a little bit. It's got a little more zing to it. It's
It's like if Ariel cared a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in A tier.
I couldn't agree. Oh, now that's a Ren.
That is a Ren Fair font. It's Augsburger Initials. I spelled it wrong.
Can you highlight the text again so that it inverts? Oh, that looks nice.
It's. I feel like, especially if the font was smaller, it loses some legibility points. It's definitely
Yeah.
a title font. It's like not in use for like larger blocks of text for sure. It's pretty, but it does lose points for not being so legible.
But style, you gotta think about style.
It is pretty. It is pretty. I want to put it in C tier, and I'll tell you why. because I'm keyboard smashing and it takes a while to render, this font is pretty intensive for my 486.
Okay.
So I'm putting it in C.
Consideration.
Yeah, I'm putting it in C tier because it's not quite as usable as the rest. It's not. I don't type smoothly.
Consideration. You only really have to type a title once.
I don't know. I'm still saying C.
All right. Throw it in C tier. With the name. At least the beginning part of it.
It's AUGS and then burger like the food.
Oh, I was just copying it with the text on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Hamburger.
Bakersville Old Face. You know, it's. I love me some serif fonts. I really do.
They have a sweet spot.
And it's an interesting serif font. It's not. It has like a little bit of character to it. It's legible. It's good. It types really like. The typing is smooth. Oh, Baskerville. I wrote dyslexia moment. Baskerville. I read it wrong. It's a nice font. It's not quite plain, but it's not really like I feel like it could pass for titles. Because you don't need a super loud font to have titles. Like, this would look nice as a title.
Yeah, I can see that being like a sort of a down-to-earth kind of thing.
I feel like there's going to be a lot of fonts in B tier. I'm going to say B tier on this one.
Yeah, it's pretty run-of-the-mill. What does run-of-the-mill mean?
Average, I think?
Oh, okay. Let me rephrase it. Where did it come from?
So Bell MT, another serif font. It has a little bit more character than Baskerville, I'd say. Because if you look at the, like the line width, the strength of the lines, it varies a little bit. It has like a nice curvature to it. It's a solid font.
Oh, yeah.
I almost want to put it in A.
Let's see the caps.
Oh, the caps are nice.
Oh.
I like the curve
That's an A tier.
on the serif. This is an A tier font.
That's an A tier, no question about it.
This is a good font. Bookman old style.
This is something somebody puts for, I want to say, like fan fiction or something like that. You would put this at the title, like the big title, where it's like
it's got a bold,
my
blocky look. It
stands out.
It does. I don't really have any gripes with it. It's like I know I think a lot of fonts are gonna be in the B tier because there's nothing really wrong with it. It doesn't stand out. I say B. What do you think?
I think a high B.
Yeah.
All right, time to move those other fonts behind it.
Braggadocio? Oh.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay, I have some thoughts on this font. I do. So, I personally think it's a gorgeous font. Here's my issues with it. The style is admittedly dated. It looks retro. Now, depending on what you're going for, that might be a bonus. That might be a drawback. For my personal tastes, I kind of want to put this in A. But I realize that it's not everyone's cup of tea.
I'm thinking that, like, I'm thinking like a sort of, how do I put this? Like a modern day Shakespearean type of play would have this as its title graphics, in its title graphics.
Yeah.
Like if you remade Macbeth or something like that, it would.
I could see this. I could see this font, huge letters, scrolling across a movie screen.
Yeah. Kind of a little bit. Well, it's not really Godfather font, but it's like it harkens the vibes of like Italian sort of stuff, you know?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Again, for my tastes, I want to put it in A, but I'm wondering what rating you think it deserves.
It's literally for me. It's like in between A and B.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of torn with. I'm saying A because it stands out more than the B fonts.
I'll set it as low A for now.
Okay.
And then we'll figure out what we decide later. Ooh, excuse me.
Brian. Okay. I like it. It looks like it's kind of handwritten-ish. It's giving that vibe. I feel like handwritten fonts are very hit or miss. They can be really cool or they can be kind of meh.
I kind of don't like the spacing on this.
Yeah. It's a nice font.
It's a little.
I
think out of the gate, the fact that it needs a little bit more work for it to feel more cohesive. Like, there's nothing wrong with.
Yeah, like if you were to pop this into Illustrator and you were to mess with it, you could make something great out of this. But just like plain in Microsoft Word, I don't think this is. I also don't particularly like the stylization of the B's and the P's.
I think
Though I know that's subjective.
I think the fact that the spacing is a bit fucked up is bad for like accessibility reasons. I want to say this one's like a low C tier.
I was gonna say C tier. Because I also feel like you'd lose legibility a little bit if at like smaller sizes.
Yeah, you definitely would.
Especially with the spacing does not help.
C tier.
Britannic. Bold. It's a classic font. It's a little bit plain. It doesn't really stand out as much as some of the other titular fonts that we've seen.
Not really much you can say about it.
Yeah, it's like, pretty.
It's inoffensive.
Yeah, it's not a bad font. It's just not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Type the letter P. Lowercase p? J and then L.
Oh, the lowercase j has an interesting hook on it.
Oh, whoa. I think that made it go a little higher.
I was gonna say that in and of itself bumped it up.
Type the whole alphabet. We gotta see the rest of this.
Oh, the F has a little.
This has more personality than I initially thought. Oh, look at the bounce in the bounce in the H's hump. Oh. Okay, this is actually pretty damn stylish. It's a casual luxury font, is what I'm feeling. Like, it went from, like, I was just gonna say, nothing to talk about D tier, to easily somewhere high C. Because it's got a personality. Its
Yeah,
spacing is alright.
I was gonna
It's
put it in D.
readable.
I was gonna put it in D, but no, it has a little bit of personality to it. You're right. I'd say like a low C.
Let's see the numbers on it.
Oh.
I'm curious about the numbers, because... I would want that font to be my home address.
That's a nice home address font, yeah.
High C for me.
Yeah, I'd say C, yeah. C tier.
That I love a hidden personality. Ugh.
Oh, brush script.
Ugh.
Okay, say what you want about this font. I actually kind of like it. It has a little bit of that graphic design is my passion charm. And I'm a little bit of a sucker for cursive fonts. I like cursive
But
fonts.
how does it look when it's shrunk down?
Oh, it's not very legible at all when it's shrunk down. So it does. If this was a personal just a me list, I would probably put it in like A or B. But
I mean, we can like a font that's lower tier.
yeah, no, I get you. For judging purposes, I'm gonna say brush script gets a D. Because
D?
a D.
D. Yeah. Okay. I was thinking the same thing about D.
Because it lowers legibility if you have it at a smaller font size. I like the way, so not all cursive fonts do this, only higher quality cursive fonts do this, where the standard spacing actually connects. So I feel like that saves it a little bit, but it's still a D font.
I agree.
Castellar.
Uh,
It's a classic too. It's a classic too. I like the variation in the line weight where it kind of has a little bit of a curve to it. I think that's a nice touch.
This is a font you use for the first letter.
Yeah. It's an uppercase only font, so there are no lowercase.
So it's definitely a first letter font.
Yeah,
Okay, knowing that makes me consider it a bit.
I would give it a C. I would throw it into C.
Say C tier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll let you choose what ranking within C tier, but I'd put it in C tier.
I'm just gonna put it kind of in the middle of C.
Centaur. Okay. So another basic serif font, but it has some character. I like the shape of the A. It's not quite usual. Let's see what the other letters. Oh. See how the E is not symmetrical on the top and the bottom?
Yeah, it's got a weight to it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let's see the numbers.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I didn't check mine.
I want to say low B, high C.
I was gonna say B. Yeah. I think a low B fits it because it's
What's the font name again?
Centaur.
Okay. Can you write that on screen? Thank you. Copy, paste. Put into the document.
Okay.
Century Gothic?
Century Gothic. It's a little plain for my taste. It doesn't, like... Everything's, like, perfectly...
ABC, this is a fucking television station font. Look at ABC.
I can see it. I can see it being used for, like, logos and things like that. Let's look at the numbers. I always forget 9 and 0. It's a nice looking font. It's relatively plain. I am torn between C or D.
I think a high D.
Okay.
Because just kind of, it doesn't, type J or L. I just want to double check because that seems to be good.
It's really it's plain.
Yeah.
It's very legible. Nothing really stands out. I don't really like the uniformity that much. I like a little bit of variation. This font looks like streets. Like, look at the L.
What's MT stand?
I don't know, but a lot of the fonts have it. Oh, I was gonna say that this font has a relatively low ranking, but you know what I like? The numbers aren't perfectly aligned. I love when fonts do that.
It does make it easier to read.
I genuinely love when fonts do that, like slightly misaligned numbers.
I like that it's sticking to its theme and not really abandoning its bold idea.
See, I was gonna say D, but I feel like the numbers of itself, and just the fact that you're right, it's sticking to its branding, it knows what it is. I would say C potentially.
I want to see. I
B?
want to see potential bonus points. I want to see some symbols.
Oh.
Okay, not all. Oh, that's a good dollar sign.
That is a nice dollar sign. Not all of the symbols are in the style.
But
that takes
think about it. Those are communication symbols.
Okay.
Generally, I don't know what the parrot's doing, but
honestly,
else,
the punctuation is in style, except for the slash.
I feel like the slash is in style if you look at the percent sign.
Oh yeah, no, you're right. Okay, honestly, you're right. The punctuation is in style, and that's really what matters. The dollar sign also.
I gotta say, that bumps it up from like a high C to like a low B for me.
Yeah.
You agree?
I agree.
The poll currently, by the way, is maybe sometimes is winning with 1 vote over no, which has also 1 vote. We have 3 votes total. I said that in a very convoluted way. Oh, what is this?
Contemporary brush. It's giving Comic Sans, isn't it? It's giving like
playful.
It's giving like a hard edge Comic Sans.
Right, Garfield. I feel like seeing Garfield's name. Ooh. Yeah, I like it. It has a nice weight and like a.
I like the variation. I kind of dare I say A.
Yeah, definitely an A.
Contemporary brush. Oh, I already. All right, we won't do that.
Yeah. Windows just going no.
Courier new.
Yeah.
Classic font. Classic font. It's monospace, right? It looks monospace.
It should be. It's based off of typewriters, but it's I always found it to be kind of bland.
I agree. I agree with you. You can do typewriter fonts in honestly, in a much better way. It could be executed a bit better.
I feel like when it goes to style, it kind of half-asses it. And when it goes for like legibility, it's fine, but also kind of difficult. Because like if you want to go like more all the way, I feel like typewriters generally have thicker looking, like a thicker looking text when you type with it.
Would it be terrible to put it in F?
Yeah, let's throw it in F.
Because I agree with everything that you just said about it. It's a fine font, I suppose. I have never been too attached to it.
It's nice that it's monospace, but there's other things that are better.
Ooh, Desdemona.
Ah, yes, this font specifically is used in, oh shoot, what game?
Oh, I like the 6. The 6 is like a spiral.
Ooh.
Oh, and the 6 and 9 are different?
Bonus points for legibility.
Yeah?
I'm thinking, mid to high A? Because I just like how... Bejeweled, am I thinking of Bejeweled?
Is it Bejeweled?
Type the letter V. V, sorry, like
Oh.
Victor. No, it's a different font. It's very similar, but it's different. I still think like a mid to high A for me. It's very stylish and its intent is clear. It's not hard to look at.
I kind of want to put it in B for the reason that it's just an outline. I realize that can be fixed in programs like Illustrator, but not necessarily in programs like Word.
That's a good point. That's a very good point. High B. I'm gonna shrink down these so I can like fit more stuff in B. I recognize there's gonna be a lot of shit in B. Oh, what's the name of this one?
Ekman. Ekman. I
don't know how I feel about
genuinely
this font.
love this font.
I don't think it's bad.
I like the blobbiness of it. It has a good character. I like the variation in the line weight.
Oh, I have an idea. I know this is for your eyes, so we won't be able to see it very well, but if you make the font smaller and write something like Wizard Scroll 7, today's spells are... I feel like that would give a good vibe for it. Oh!
I want to put this in S tier. I want to see some symbols before I do that, though.
That did win me over a bit.
Oh,
all of them.
I love the ampersand. Not the ampersand. The at. I also love the ampersand. S tier. Ekman is an S tier.
S tier. Our first S tier. Ooh.
So it doesn't lose points again for the outline. The fact that it is an outline only. That being said, I think it's a nice font. does lose a little bit legibility wise because it's hard to tell
Are
that
those
those
E's
are
or A's?
those are D's. That's why I'm like it loses.
Oh, those look like the fancy A's because of the
Yeah.
that overhang is a bit much. Still, Z font.
Okay, it wins me over with the Z tail.
I still think it should be in C.
No, I agree. I it does redeem itself a tiny bit. But I
see.
agree with you. Elephant. Classic. I mean, it's used in a
It
lot
has
of
a
like.
fun name.
It does have a fun name. It depicts how heavyweight the font is. Like you can tell what type of font this is going to be before you even select it. It has a little bit more character than some of the other like D and C tier fonts that we've put, but like look at the variation in line weight in the numbers.
That's also an address type font.
Yeah. I also like the 7, how it has like a little fancy bottom and everything. It's
Let's look at Z. Standard. J.
got a little bit of a swooshy.
Kinda. I feel like this was kind of classic back then, but it's like one of those timeless classics.
I like the way the word classic looks.
Oh, right, extra, extra. Oh, ah,
I think Elephant
It's a
deserves because I was gonna say
solid
high,
title font.
I was gonna say high C or B, like a low B.
Yeah.
I think a B. I think it deserves a B. This is a B
Yeah,
tier
me too.
font.
Elephant.
Euro style. Okay, so it's kind of giving Arial, but it has a bit more character to it.
I feel like there's got a bit of futurism to it.
Yeah. It. What did we give Arial?
Arial. We gave Arial. I gotta look. Mid B currently. I feel like this is also like the font that you would see on the Wii.
I want to
Obviously
bump.
not the
I
Wii
wanna-
itself, but like.
I want to bump Arial down to C, and I want to give this a B
Okay.
because
Scroll back up to the top.
it has all of the benefits of Arial, the legibility, the simple style, but it has a tiny bit more character that I really enjoy.
There we go. I also think like your style is like something for the general text on the Wii. Not like branding, but like if you have to read a quick pop-up or something. That's what it feels like.
Okay, we have another serif with some character to it. I want to see which A it uses. Okay, it uses the fancy A.
Chili dinner? I don't know. Right, Merry Christmas or something.
This is a Christmas font. Look at that. Look at the way it says Merry. This would be on a Christmas card.
Yeah. Happy, write happy birthday. It's not bad. It's not bad.
The greeting card font.
It is a greeting card font, yes.
I don't really have any gripes with it.
It's inoffensive. It's good. It's got some custom stuff to it.
Is it a C?
I like the I don't know what it's called, the meniscus, the stickiness between letters.
Yeah.
I like that. I don't know what the hell that part's called.
Is it a C or a B? What are we going for?
Wanna say it's a B.
Okay. Footlight, MT, light gets a B.
The current poll: should retro computers be sticker bombed? Yes has 40%. No has 20%. Maybe sometimes has 40%. A total of 5 people have voted. Futura.
Futura is still used today. I mean, it has longevity on it.
Yeah, you gotta give it that.
I'd say it deserves some points for that. I personally find it a little bit plain.
Are we allowed knocking points out for being played out?
Yes, absolutely.
In that case, I think a high D.
I agree with you.
This font
Ultra
knows what
bold.
it is.
Yeah, I love the off-centered eye dot. Like, it's a ball that's rolling into that little crevice thing.
Yeah, type grill out at the
Type
grill
what?
out at grill out at some not gorilla.
I know. Grill out.
Grill out at I don't know Dylan's or something.
What is a grill out?
It's a cookout.
I've never heard anybody call it a grill out.
Well, I wanted to see the eye. Ooh.
I love the comma and apostrophe. Oh. It's this. They wanted to keep the same width for the yeah.
Let's see an ampersand. Ooh.
I kind of like the asterisk. It's nice.
Oh, type of fake phone number. Something 555 something. If we shrink that down to be one line, or close to one line, I think that will really give a good perspective. Oh. This font is used by pizza places that love their customers.
Where do we place it?
I fucking love it so much. I want to put it in either high A or S.
I think A. I think it deserves A because it's. Oh, I like that the question mark is like it is an exclamation. Ooh, I like how it's like connected. It looks funny.
Write help wanted. I want to see that. It's not bad. It's very eye-catching.
The off-center hole in the E.
Yeah.
It looks like a
it's
little
smiling.
Pac-Man guy.
It's a smile. This font looks at you and says, I hope you have a good day.
Gill Sans Ultra Bold is an A-tier font. This is like a sci-fi font? Yeah, Fonty, why not? I points for being original. Oh, I like that at sign. That's a weird looking ampersand.
It's not afraid.
Yeah, it gets points for creativity and originality.
Man, this one's
It's not-
hard.
It's not super legible though. I mean, like at smaller sizes.
I can see this being used as sort of like a soft sci-fi feel. Yeah, I agree with
Yeah,
that.
I was saying that, and like movie or book titles.
Which is the thing you only need to read once correctly, and correctly once.
I like that the T and the S connect. It makes like a weird shape.
I'm thinking.
I was tied between high C or low B. I think we're both on the same page.
Well, let's put on low B and give it just a little bit more.
We can always move it down if we feel like. Immediately when I typed this font, I read that this font is trying too hard. Look at that G.
Let's see some symbols. Oh, I got them out covered at least.
I swear I've seen this font for actual princess storybooks. Like the title.
Give us some, like, J's.
I like the swooshy on the F. The capital F.
The F is a little fruity.
Oh, and the curl on the L. It has some character. I think that it's points for that, for sure.
I think definitely somewhere in the C. High C or low C? Somewhere in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle.
You know, the more I look at Arial, the more I want to put it down to D. Just seeing based on other stuff.
I wouldn't be opposed to that.
I'm moving it to the end of C
Oh.
for now, but like I'm feeling that it's getting closer. Classic. However,
A. It's legible. It's smart. It looks good. Even in it looks good with no tweaking. Like you could do like a logo in this font with no tweaking, and you know what? It would be passable.
and many people have.
Yeah, but it is overplayed. That's why it's not an S tier.
No. Type of movie name.
Oh, what movie? It's not a movie.
Breaking Bad. Walter White, bitch. Man. Bottom text.
It's an A tier.
I
It's an A tier, girl. I'm telling you.
I want to say it's a low A.
It could be a low A, but it's definitely in the A somewhere.
Yeah, it's definitely in A.
Yeah, the symbols
That
kind of
part's
lack.
without question.
Impact is an A tier font. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
I feel like we're gonna have to look at the general alphabet for this one. I'll give it. It's keeping up the motif. Is that a Q?
Yes. That lowercase t does not look like a T.
And that Q kind of looks like ass. In the uppercase Q. You know, although I do like what it's initially going for, I feel like the execution's kind of shitty.
D?
D. But a high D.
A high D nonetheless.
Yeah, I'm definitely moving Arial into D. Oof.
This is like a slightly better version of, what was that one that we... Brush Script. Because it has the same it has the properties that I like about Brush Script, but without the drawbacks of Brush Script. It's not a cursive font, like, that... So it doesn't have that, but it has a lot of the properties about Brush Script that I like.
This also feels like something if you want to set the scene in, like, a story set in the Renaissance or whatnot.
Loses points because some of the symbols aren't... I
Well, they
like...
didn't use the at symbol in the Renaissance.
Yeah. I like that ampersand.
Ampersand's nice.
You know, I want to give it a B.
Yeah? I was thinking that.
Because it's legible, it looks nice.
I want to say it's below Elephant, but above
Yeah.
some of the other stuff. Kelowna MP.
Oh, I personally really like Mistral.
Type thank you. I'm going to see what that looks like. Okay, so what happens if you type O by itself?
No.
It connects! Type O again. It connects!
I'm telling you, I like cursive fonts. I like handwritten fonts a lot.
This one's got a lot of effort into it. Let's look at some symbols. Keeps with its motif. Numbers? Ooh.
B.
Nice. B. High B.
Mistral is a high B. I'm skipping these because the last time I tried to load one that didn't have the true text or whatever logo, it froze, so I'm just,
Automatic disqualification. See, this is
beats
what Courier
Courier.
was trying
This
to do.
beats Courier.
Yeah, it's type. Yeah, it's better. It's just better than Courier. Is it the best font? Not really, no. But is it good? Yeah, it's solid.
What did Courier get?
Courier got F.
Courier got F.
Courier's fucking dead.
C or D?
I want to say it's in low C.
Yeah. For now.
Okay, I like it a lot more than Courier. Better than Gothic. Than the Gothic one we looked at. Definitely better than Arial. Mm-hmm.
Oh, how are we judging symbol fonts?
I've been going off of general intent, so I think
some of these symbols are not loading. I don't know if that's like a me issue or...
I don't know, it just feels like it's kind of half-assed. It's not filling the whole thing, you know? I think I want to disqualify this one.
Yeah, this is like it doesn't have all the characters, it just has some, and it's like it looks like it's for annotation. So this font gets disqualified.
It's more of a graphic pack
Yeah.
than font.
New Caledonia. I would say it's. I like the numbers. The numbers
This
are pretty
also
nice, but
feels
it's not...
like it's doing what Courier wants, but better. But like less about typewriters and more just about style.
It's not too special. Oh, that's
Oh.
I like that asterisk. The asterisk might have bumped it up.
I'm thinking.
I think it's C.
I see.
Yeah, I think it's C.
I gotta shrink everything down a little.
I told you there was gonna be a lot of fonts in C.
This is why I did it in Illustrator. So that we have infinite resolution. Type New York Times. This is a newspaper font. It's like the logo to your local paper. Type in... Man, I don't have any... I don't know, the Blockbusters query. I don't know what you would put for, like, a newspaper. It's a newspaper font. It sticks out pretty solid. Has a bit of a... I feel like a little bit of German root to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Even though it's called Old English. Despite its benefits, I think it gets like a... It should get like a... Let's see here. Again.
I want to give it a B for originality.
I'll set it up to be on a low. A good middle ground.
Ooh.
Onyx. Oof. It's nice. Though I feel like a bit thin in some areas.
I like that about it.
Yeah. Though the H looks like two eyes on the camera. Hey, couldn't you just copy the alphabet?
No. Actually, this is Microsoft Word. It might copy it with the font data too.
Oh, shoot, you're right.
I could just not erase it.
I suppose. Onyx.
I want to give it a C. I want to
Yeah.
give it a C. It's nice.
Third in the C
Maybe a
pile.
D. Maybe a D because I don't know what
Low
C or D.
I'm gonna put low C for now. I like the name. I know that this is pretty arbitrary, but the name kind of gives me a really good vibe about it. Like it's telling you what it is while also being like, I don't know. It's weird.
Parade is
Parade.
playful.
Parade. Parade. Yeah, it's not bad.
It's playful, but I feel like it's missing something. Again, I am a sucker for
Right,
stuff.
you're invited.
You're more handwritten fonts.
You're invited to Sally's party. it's an informational but silly font.
And
I'm
like
also thinking about like inappropriate font use where it's like they're using a goofy font to say "my condolences."
the H is slanted.
Yeah.
That bumps it up. That bumps it up. Uh, B.
Yeah. I gotta organize these. I gotta start making room in this. I know there was gonna be a lot of B's.
I don't know how to pronounce this. Pignot. Pignot? Pignot?
How's it spelled? Ooh.
Ooh.
That's a future font. That is.
Ooh, look at the H.
I can imagine seeing the word medical resource in this font. It's very comforting. It feels like it knows what it's doing. I want to say this is A tier.
I was gonna say I want to put this in A.
A tier? Alright.
Oh boy.
Yeehaw.
Yeah. Playbill.
I mean, this is
The Old
also
West.
a birthday party. This is also a birthday party font. John Wayne.
I was about to write that.
Guy, right? That. I feel like for what it is, it plays precisely.
It's a well-made font.
Symbols.
Oh, the parentheses are out of style. How often are you going to use an ampersand on cowboy font? I mean, not an ampersand, an at sign. I keep getting them mixed up.
But the dollar is fantastic.
The dollar and the ampersand and the yeah.
What are we saying? B A.
I want to give it an A. It is a classic.
And it's exactly what it tells you it is. It's very bold. Bold personality.
Oh.
Oh, it's also bold, but... Ransom. Oh man, this one's hard to judge, because it's playing into...
Yeah, everything
into
is
a
different.
theme
Everything
perfectly.
is different. It's...
I guess write a ransom note. I guess that would be the...
World's right.
If you want Microsoft mic back... We have Microsoft mic. Please take them back. We don't want them anymore. Lower the size.
Oh, oh.
that, that, that is a crazy size. I have an additional question. What if you type multiple O's in a row? Like multiple of the same letter. Yeah, no, it stays the same. Okay. Can't expect too much, I suppose.
The caps are different though.
Oh, yeah. You know what? For what it's doing and what it is, given the nature of it, I think I want to put it in A.
I like it. I like it. It's a nice font.
You could joke and say it's got a little bit of everything.
It does have a little bit of everything.
I gotta go back in the... I'm using the YouTube stream whenever I can to capture the image as well. Let's see. We said
Military.
military.
It's all caps. I want to give it a D, but because I don't.
Grenade. Lunch special. Slop. Yeah, it's I kind of want to say it's lazy. Like, you could do a bit more.
It doesn't
extensive.
have a lot of uses.
Hmm.
Because like some of the fonts that are in the higher tiers, they're like they can like a lot of places use them in logos and things like that. This font doesn't really have a use like that I can think of.
You know, actually, I'm thinking about it. I think this one should also go in F. Like, I don't hate it. I'm not upset at it, but I don't think it's doing very good.
Okay, yeah, I would be fine with that.
It's higher than Courier New. That one's just called Stop.
Future font.
Doesn't have any lowercase.
No, they're all the same.
Symbols? Hold on. What is... Those are X's. I thought those X's were something else. Ooh.
I like the dollar sign is in brand. Though, again, I feel like it doesn't have very many applicable uses. And it's not...
And the legibility's kind of shit on it.
Yeah, the legibility's pretty bad. It's not terribly visually appealing to me, but that could just be because the style's dated. Then again, I like dated styles, so maybe that's not it. I kind of want to give it a D.
Before we do that, what could go here? Because I want to look at it the best possible way.
Okay.
Tomorrowland.
I think the all caps is a little bit lazy too. I feel like there would have been room
Walkman?
for lowercase.
Type the word Walkman. See that? I like that.
I like the way Lockman looks. Okay, it has potential for logos.
But you gotta be really considerate with that. I feel like it's pretty close, but not quite on the mark.
D or C?
I'm gonna put it at a high D.
I agree with that because it feels like you have to work with the font more than other fonts. I feel like
So,
we
like,
can skip
mentally,
this
is
one.
Arial also slowly going further down D?
Yeah.
for you?
Yeah.
Because like it's starting to get closer to F, and I'm just like, it's not quite there, but man, it's really close.
I'm skipping this one because this one's basically just symbols.
The
Okay.
symbols are fine.
All right.
D.
It's a classic. It's a certified hood classic, but you're right.
It works. It's great.
It doesn't have anything particularly interesting about it. Times New Roman is.
What can you say about Times New Roman?
Nothing. It's plain. It doesn't have a lot of originality. It's legible. I can say that about it.
Florida man crashes car into beach stand. Crab stand. Yeah, it's... It's...
What did you say before D?
One more time?
What did you say before D?
I said... well, I said basically D. I didn't really give it another option. I was like, I feel like I just throw it in D. Feels like a D font.
I could agree with D.
Higher than stop. I'll give it that. Ooh.
This font is also a little bit overplayed.
Well, what would this be used for? I feel like this also goes in D. I wanna consider it a bit. I'm sorry. What did you say?
I said house address. It's the numbers. Okay, the lowercase for some of these letters is just a squished version of the uppercase.
To be fair, that's standard.
Yeah, you're right. I feel like the G is pretty out of place. The lowercase G. I need to use a word that has lowercase G in it. Yeah, it looks out of place, right? Looks like it doesn't belong. I feel like they should have used the other G.
D?
I'd give it a D, yeah. I would say lower than Times New Roman.
Yeah, currently Times New Roman is the highest of Ds.
Now the question, are we going to judge wingdings?
I don't mind symbol fonts, but they gotta be focused on symbols.
I typed wingdings and wingdings.
I figured as much. As much as I have a deep love for this font, I want to put it in C. It's a very important font, especially before emojis and easily being able to send images.
Yeah.
But also, it's like, it's pretty much got everything standard.
It's pretty basic. It doesn't have, like, it has basic symbols. Like, it has things that are standard. It doesn't have anything particularly interesting.
But it's, you can use it for a lot of things.
Yeah, it's useful. What would you say?
I would say C.
I agree.
Maybe high C? Because I feel like it's kind of setting a standard, in a way.
Okay, wingdings 2. You got the circle numbers, that's pretty interesting. You got more.
Never
Oh,
really seen
is that like
Wingdings
a? Is that a Betamax tape?
I think. You never see Wingdings 2 in anything. Like,
Yeah.
no one ever references it directly.
I like that it has a crayon. I think that's interesting about it, and it has an what is it called, an interrobang?
It's got a more cartoony start. I think that's an info bank. Or something.
I like the crayon.
This one feels like it's a bit more playful. Just a bit. But I'm gonna have to give it, like, I want to make it, like, high D tier. Not the highest, but somewhere in that range.
Yeah.
Just because there's a reason why no one talks about it.
Alright, Wingdings 3.
Arrow City.
Mm-hmm. It's about as useful as the other Wingdings.
No, I want to give this one F.
Just because it's arrows.
Just arrows.
Yeah. I can work with that.
There's arrows in the other ones, or you can make arrows with text. Like, if you're looking in a situation where you need different types of arrows, at that point you're looking for graphic design. You know?
Yeah, because you can, actually, I don't know if you can do that in this version of Microsoft Office, but, like, the shape layers.
Mhm.
I don't know if this version of Microsoft Office has that, but, I mean,
you
this
could
is good
also
for...
use a clip art.
Yeah, like a clip art arrow. That's all of our fonts.
That's it?
Yeah, Wingdings 3 is the last font.
Wow. Ekman's the only S tier.
It is possible that we were a little bit too critical, but I'd rather be too critical than not critical enough.
I still want to move Ariel to F.
Come on, give it some credit.
Okay. Slightly off D.
I want to install
Honestly,
Ekman on my modern
I
computer.
think Gil Sans. I think Gil Sans, Pegnot. I think those should go in S tier. Hedgenut.
Okay. No, you're right. And then I remember what the other one looked like. Peg something. I don't.
P-E-I-G.
Yeah, this is an S tier font. We were a little bit critical, but hey. When you're done with the font list, send it to me so I can post it to my YouTube channel.
Impact, I feel like, needs to go into B, and I kind of want to move Eurostyle to A. Because Eurostyle makes me really think... It makes me think it's a funner version of, like... It's better than Ariel, for sure. I mean, a lot of things are better than Ariel. Evidently.
Yeah.
But...
Yeah.
It feels like it's its more successful brother.
Yeah. I'm fine with your changes. I think that's valid.
I think Desmona. I feel like that should go into C.
Desdemona?
Yeah.
Okay. I will post the tier list to YouTube later.
I'm gonna have to set it up in a way where all the screen grabs are visible.
Good luck with that, and thank you for doing this for me.
No problem. It's always fun. Well, I think Old English and Gradle, I think those should go into C tier.
Okay.
A high C tier, but C tier nonetheless.
But I like Old English.
Yeah. You can like stuff on a lower tier.
There's a lot of fonts in the C tier.
There was more fonts in. Actually, the difference is only by one. I think.
Oh, okay.
Is it? Actually, what shit? I need to count. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's the same. It's the same number. They both have the same amount. I think Onyx should go to D tier.
You're the one looking at the tier list, so I trust your changes.
I just want to. I don't know. Onyx just felt kind of. It's definitely higher than Wingdings 2. Actually, I think Wingdings 2 should be closer to Ariel and Futura. Swap these around, I think. They're in the same tier, it's just I feel like when we were discussing it, the ordering was a bit more... Yeah. I kind of want to put Wingdings 2 into F tier, along with Wingdings 3. Because I feel like Wingdings kind of got everything covered.
Wingdings is the best of the Wingdings fonts. 2 and 3 are kind of meh. Wingdings is an important font, though. You're right. I agree with what you were saying about how it was important in an era before emojis.
Yeah. I'm just adjusting everything now so that they're larger, more visible, etc., etc.
Well, it was fun doing a font tier list. I am getting a little bit peckish. I think I'm going to log off stream for the night and go get something to eat. Good timing. Good timing, screensaver.
The screensaver that lies.
The screensaver that lies.
That was fun. That's fun. And to answer your question, yes, sticker bombs. A retro computer should be sticker bombed. By the last vote, 6 total.
Sweet. I don't know if I'll do it to this one, but Good possibility I'll do it to Norma, even though she's not technically a retro computer. She looks like one. So.
Yeah. All right. That was fun.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.